All right, so for our last and final role of the administrator, we're going to be talking about profiles, policies, and security. So in other words, when I say security, we're going to be looking at security profiles that we can go ahead and set up for you, which will determine what functionality a user has in your company that they have access to within the system. So let's go ahead and log in as Kathy to go ahead and show this. So when Kathy logs in, you can go up here to Our Company, and we'll be looking at profiles and policies. Now, as you can see, I just did want to point this out, there are a lot of different types of profiles and policies in our system. Like you have access, benefit accruals, right down here you can see all the ones that you have, days, holiday tables, points, projected dynamic scheduling. But we're going to go ahead and focus on security. And again, we're just, what you can set up or we can set up for you, which will determine what employees in your company have access to certain things in the system. So as you can see here, for our demo purposes, we just have 3 people set up here in our system. We have the admin, employee, and manager. Now the admin actually has access to all functions, is how we've set it up. The manager has general system access, and the employee obviously has limited system access. So let's just go ahead and click in here. I did want to show you, obviously you can see here as this icon, View Edit Security Profile. So again, you can come in here and always check off or delete certain access and functions that you want the employee to have access to. Now again, as this comes up, as you can see the different tabs that we have here, you have the Security Profile, which will have the person's name. You can put a description in there if you want. Obviously that'd be checked off as active. If you want them to have a certain password, you can do that. And over here obviously is the main point of what we want to hone in on, which is all the security items and features. So again, I'll scroll down here a little bit so we can see. Under the time management, again, we've set it up so that this employee will have access to all the functions. But just to kind of show you all the different types of security features that you can choose from for each employee or manager to have access to. So you have time editing and approving functionality. Submitted timesheets. Can this person approve? Can they edit mass timesheets? Can they go ahead and approve or reject time off requests, as you can see there? Do they have timekeeping abilities? Can they view them? Can they edit them? Again, and obviously we have those checked off. And again, as you go down here through the tabs, you have payroll management, HR management, modules, profiles, reports, employees. Again, do you want this person to have complete authority over the company payroll functionality? Can they view calculated hours? Can they edit them? Let's go and look under HR management. Again, permission. You're going to give them permission. Do you want to add this or do you want to delete it? As far as the employee, can they see or edit and view the employee information, their compensation, the different call centers, the demographics, their managers? Again, you can tell us to set it up or you can set it up to see how much functionality that each employee can have access to. Again, here you have a different tab as far as modules. Can they edit the balances of accruals, point system, project tracking that we talked about before, profiles down here. Let's go and look at that. Do they have, again, is where you can view and edit, benefit accruals. Can they look at holiday profiles, notifications? Again, we can set this up to how you want that. And again, obviously you have the reports function where you can pick and choose what reports they have access to, from adjustment pay periods to audit reports to calculated time reports as well. So just wanted to show you that as far as all the access and functionality that we can pick and choose from, so that you can go ahead and make sure that you have the right employees looking at the right information. That concludes that step. Hope you learned a lot from that, and that completes the administrator role.